Okay, here we have a Friedrich X-Star. It's got the new front panel on it. Let's see, where's the data plate? I don't know where the data plate is, but we're going to start her up. Ooh. It's got a Tecumseh rotary. Surprisingly, low fan. Instant cold, R22 unit. Not that powerful, it's 5,000 BTU. Back to fan 1. And let's go ahead and shut it down. So that's the first one. Let's go to the second one. Here is the second one. This is a rare unit. This is a 2006, I believe, Daewoo. See, here's the data plate. It is from 2006. It's a 5300 BTU. My Frigidaire is a 5200. Let's go ahead and start this girl up. Wow. That is surprisingly powerful for a 5300 BTU. Let's see. What fan are you on? You can hear the compressor. It's not blowing cold. The compressor's running. Oh, yeah. It is blowing cold. Let's go ahead and shut it down. That's weird. Okay, wow, this unit's really weird. Oh, you can see the blower wheel in there. There you go. See a blower wheel in it. It's a data plate again. See, R22. How many ounces of the R22 we talking? 11.3. Okay. Now let's go ahead and film the other one. Now for the Mac Daddy. The General Electric thin line. I believe this one's from the 1980s. Let's go ahead and start her up. Hi, cool. Let's let this one run for a bit. Instant freaking cold too. See if I can get it in between speeds so you can get that GE rotary. There you go. Listen to it. This thing's freaking sweet. Oh, it's got that little vent thing. Alright, let's go ahead and shut it down. You can see the blower wheel in there. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.